Hey everybody, what's up? We are going to do a quick little unboxing video of this Pocket Tripod Pro. Go ahead and jump into the unboxing and then I will give you my thoughts very soon. Thanks.
This tripod comes in a handsome box with all the features listed on the front: lightweight, carbon fiber, and the ability to accept a wide range of phones. This should be useful for mobility purposes. Right away inside you see a sizing card to match your phone with the proper adapter. Straight away you have instructions. Included in the kit is a wide variety of adapters, as well as a quick start guide. This tiny tripod does offer a wide variety in terms of range as well as portrait and landscape mode. However, stability might be a consideration. The 10mm adapter is what is already included and installed. These are easy to switch. Let's take a look.
Credit card thin tripod. From the beginning, twist, you get a little kite shape, and then you can go either way with the wings. Prop up your phone and then you are good to go. Slide your phone into here, depending on whatever thickness of the case is. The numbers refer to the thickness of the case. iPhone 13 Pro Max, between 0 and 45 degrees. Smaller phones, it says 180, but I don't have a small phone, so I can't speak to that. These appear to go independently to each other, and there is the range here. It's probably hard to see. All right, and then I guess you go all the way out in order to get your piece out here, and you can switch these two things here. Now that I've taken it out, let's see if I can slide it back into this little tracker right here. Right now. Seems seems fairly intuitive. Huh. Well, and isn't that cool? Well, this is the included 10.0 size. I think I might need the 10.5, and it is not included. However, it says coupon code for adapters. If the size you need is not included in this package, you may order a pair of adapters at no cost from pocket-tripod.com/kit. All right, I'll do that, and we will follow up. Hopefully, this does okay. It says it's fairly strong, but it feels very plasticky in the hand. So, I just know that I can be a little rough with things. So hopefully it don't break. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna need a smaller size adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out this coupon here for a new piece. So I see what's happening. The entry of the tripod holder is a little too narrow. So I need one that's a little bit bigger, and the next size up is way too big. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that free coupon code that they sent me for a one-time redemption, and hopefully it gets here soon, and we'll try it out from there. 2 days later, the adapters arrive. Let's put them on and break it down.
It's the Pocket Tripod Pro with the 2.5mm adapters that came free with the token that came with the original box. Nice secure fit, able to get some range on it. Case, had some initial resistance, but then was able to kind of slide nicely in that groove, and it's locked in there. Happy with this. I've been carrying it around in my wallet. It's very lightweight. Barely even notice that it's there. Sets up quick, and I don't have to carry around the big Gorilla Pod for a little shot like this. So good job, Pocket Tripod Pro. I'll have the link down in the description. All right, thanks for watching.